and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hi there, and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Thanks for tuning in, and today we have a special guest, Chanel Ryan. She's an actress, she's a model, she's just an all-around fun person and a really good friend of mine. Chanel?
Hello.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Pretty good, you know. I actually have been stalking.
Aww.
Yeah. And I'm just really excited for all the things that are happening for you. And I just wanted to know, what don't I know? Tell me about you. Tell me what's going on. Tell me everything. Tell us everything.
Well, first of all, Halloween is my favorite holiday, for those of you that didn't know that. That's a true story.
Fantastic. And we like it here too.
Yeah.
We've put some decorations out just for you.
I can tell, in case you weren't aware. I was in Texas at a show called the Cult Classic Convention. And for those of you that don't know, I have a film called Circus of the Dead. And
I just checked that out again recently.
It's only 3 years old, but it has this crazy cult following. So we were invited to the show, and we did a reunion.
Nice.
Yeah.
So will you be doing this reunion every year?
You know, I don't know. Truthfully, so the show is in a town called Bastrop, Texas, and for those of you that don't know,
and the show was in Texas.
Well, the film was shot in Odessa, Texas, another little town, but this is Bastrop's about 30 minutes from Austin. But the fun fact about Bastrop is 3 of the Chainsaw Massacre films were shot there. The bridge from Chainsaws in Bastrop, the gas station from Chainsaws in Bastrop. One of the Halloweens or Friday the 13th was shot there as well. So it's like a big horror thing.
Don't go to this town if you hear chainsaws.
Exactly.
Well,
or if you want to hear chainsaws, and if you want to go to some ridiculous haunted houses, go. There's one out in the woods, but whole nother topic.
Nice. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, I want to start, because you started with digging. I want to start with just graveyard brownies. What do you think?
Yeah,
Does it sound fun?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got some already prepared brownies.
And just a FYI, my friends, when these come out of the oven, they're a little warm. They're not now because we made ours ahead of time for time reasons, but careful not to burn your little hands.
Yeah, so we're using a knife.
Yeah.
Okay. And so
notice it's not sharp. He's worried I might stab him.
Well, I mean, I have seen some of your movies. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just take that. That is a little bit elongated rectangle.
Yeah.
Right? So it kind of looks like a
Can I
casket.
put the pumpkin on?
Well, yeah, but start with what I want
we
you to
need
do
to do
is
the R.I.P., yeah.
Yeah, I want you to start with a tombstone.
So, what are these little Pepperidge Farm goodies?
They're little cookies.
So now we're going to do an R.I.P.
And then yeah, give us like a rest in peace on the top. Make it closer to the top.
Okay. No pressure here to get this right or anything.
Well, we have a couple extra ones. So, but yeah, do a good job. Perfect. That's good looking right there. Nice. Look at that. Rip Van Winkle would be proud.
R.I.P.
Okay, so put that at the head side.
Do we need to stick it in there?
Yeah, just shove it all the way down in there.
There we go.
Yeah, nice and
look how
nice
cute
and
that
easy,
is.
like, right?
And now we're gonna add the pumpkin.
Not yet.
Not yet. Why not?
Well, because we've got to put some frosting on top.
Oh yeah, so the pumpkin sticks. Good
so
point.
we're gonna use some chocolate frosting, so it's gonna make it look like dirt.
Oh.
And I'll let you spread that on there nice and.
So all over the brownie, or just
nice and even. Like give us like a nice little base so that we can get our other dirt to attach to this. So for this, we're gonna use cookie crumbs.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I like
so I'm gonna
it.
give you this little spoon.
Cool.
And evenly, let's just put them right on top.
Some little dirt because
Yeah, some little dirt, not the crazy Hollywood dirt.
arisen from the dead there.
There you go.
There we go.
There you go. Okay, and then if we're going to, you're all excited about the pumpkin.
I am excited.
So
about
we
the
do
pumpkin.
have your choice. You've got a pumpkin or a ghost or even a cat.
Oh, wow, big decisions. I'm going to do a ghost.
Okay.
Oh, look how cute. Now we're going to put the ghost right there. Aww. Is that right?
Sure.
Or do we want to see the ghost tail? Now it's all dirty.
And that is
That's super
that
cute.
is super easy, right?
Yeah, I
Quick,
like it. Yeah,
easy,
yeah.
and it's just something fun for like a holiday party.
Yeah, I like
Right?
it. Mm-hmm.
And that's we're gonna call that a graveyard brownie.
It's a graveyard brownie, my
Graveyard
friends.
brownie. Easier than a graveyard brownie. Can you guess? What's easier than a graveyard brownie?
Apple monsters? Or,
Apple monsters are tough.
Or
okay?
how about Reese's, is it Reese's peanut butter bats?
Those are pretty easy. So we're going to do that by starting with some of the little cups.
Reese's peanut butter cup is step number 1.
And let's lay a couple of them out here so he has friends.
Okay. What happens if we eat them while we're going?
Absolutely nothing happens bad. You eat the whole. She ate the whole thing. Okay. Well, try not to eat all of the ingredients. Okay.
They're my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, here's a spoon. You're going to use that, and we're going to use some peanut butter. And what I want you to do is put a little tiny dollop of peanut butter in the middle of each one of
Oh, a
these
little
cups.
dollop. Okay.
Yeah, right in the middle. Just a little tiny, little.
Like that much?
Hair more. Just a hair more. That
That much?
Okay. All right. I don't know. Maybe more. No, I'm kidding. Go ahead.
You're like, you're not doing it right.
That's what you get for eating my food. Before we're
You're like,
finished.
no, we don't have enough because you ate it.
We only had 12.
We needed 13. That is the lucky number. How's that? I feel
All
like
right.
this one doesn't look as pretty as the
Okay,
others.
well. And then for the wings,
And FYI, you guys, I am a dreadful cook. So when my friend found out that I was doing this with you today, they got a good big laugh out of it. So
and everything here is assembly. Yeah, which makes it fun because you don't have to cook.
yeah,
So if we are going to put some wings on the bat,
yeah.
why don't we try a
Yeah,
couple of
little
these?
ones,
Let's
yeah.
see if we can make a match.
Okay, so
And give a little room. Nice.
oh, they're super cute. Yeah.
Let's see if we
Get
can
some
get another
thin
set.
ones. I like the way the
And I guess if they don't match, just eat them. Chew some edges off.
Okay.
There's another one.
Bat number 2.
Bat 2, and then do Batman last. Batman. Now we can say that this was a DC show.
Okay. What if we did the wings upside down for this one?
I
Does
guess
that work? No? Yes, no?
the
We
guest
don't
is
know.
always right.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna turn it around. There we go.
Okay, all right. So mid-flight, I get it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now for the ability of the cat, the cat.
Bats to see.
For the bats to see, we're going to use these little eyeballs here.
Okay.
Okay,
So
and I think it's going to be easiest if we,
do we need a little bit more peanut butter to make them stay?
yeah, we can use some peanut butter
Oh, on the back of the
on the back of the eyeball.
eyes. Okay.
And don't get nervous when they're staring at you.
He
'cause
wants me to do this part because my fingers are going to get all dirty.
well, your fingers are smaller. You know how hard it is to hold on
I'm
those little tiny
teasing.
eyeballs?
Yeah, I do.
You're figuring it out, aren't
Yeah.
you? Yeah.
Okay, eyeball number 1. How'd they go right there like that? Where did they go?
You can't do it wrong. You just can't. I've seen bats with 3
Well,
eyeballs.
but apparently I did do it wrong because I put the wings on the wrong way a second ago.
Well, you know, you. That's a foul number 2.
I'm going to be asked to leave in a minute. Oh, look how cute.
And then we're going to do that just 2 more times.
Okay.
And these are super quick, super easy. These are a fun favorite of all the kids that we know.
They know 3.
And Chanel.
Those are good, by the way.
See? Told you. And Chanel.
I like candy. I need a little more peanut butter.
And last eyeball, unless this is one of those crazy three-eyed monsters.
That's not a bad idea.
There you go. All right. Well, that looks like a fun little
I love
graveyard
this.
scene, right? There we go. Now, you want to clean up?
That would be nice, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so the last one is hard. It's hard, okay? I know.
This is a level 3.
This is a level 3.5, and if you haven't made it to level 3.4, do not try to advance to
Yeah.
3.5. It's just a friendly warning.
Get a friend to help with these. You might not be able to handle it by yourself.
Okay, so we are going to make apple monsters. And what we're going to do is we are going to,
Cut the mouth.
we need to take a slice off the
Yeah.
apple, right? And we're going to give him a little opening.
Be careful when you do this not to cut your thumbs.
And I'm using a kind of a medium sharp butter knife because I don't want to cut all the way through, and I'm trying to have a little bit more control because that's the problem that I
Otherwise,
have
there's
with
not
these.
part of the snack. This is our ode to a somewhat healthy Halloween snack here.
Yes, this actually is extremely healthy, and
Although, I would like to point out that the Reese's do have peanut butter, so you're getting a little protein there.
it's still chocolate. Okay.
Little
All right,
protein.
I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with it.
Yeah.
I do like peanut
These
butter.
are so cute.
Okay, so what we want to do is I'm gonna let you. Why don't you do one and I do one?
Okay.
Okay.
Tell me what I'm doing.
So we're gonna take our little guy
Yep.
and we're going to fill his mouth with peanut butter.
Woo.
Okay. So you grab your spoon there and I'll grab mine. Don't put too much,
Okay.
but like 3/4 full. How's that? Okay, so we're just gonna kind of put it in his mouth, and that's gonna work as glue to hold everything together on our little monster.
There we go. How's that?
Okay, that looks great. That looks great. Now,
Am I supposed to have it on the bottom like that, or is that an accident?
if you put a little bit right there on the top, I'll show you what we're going to do with that,
Okay.
or what I'm going to do with it.
Okay.
You may want to put 2 little dots.
Oh, really? Well,
'Cause that's gonna hold on
oh. Well,
the
had I known
googly
that, I would have
eyes.
done it differently.
The googly eyes, which, in all honesty,
Which are edible.
googly eyes do make.
Googly eyes make
They
them
make
for
all
sure.
monsters.
Oh, I love it. Yours looks so cute already. Let me
All
see.
right, here's. You want some eyes?
Yep.
Nope. One
I
more.
was gonna have a cyclops.
Okay, and then there's 2 ways to do it. You can put the tongue in after the teeth, but if you put the tongue in after the teeth, you can knock the teeth off.
Ooh.
So I like to put the tongue in first, and we're going to
Okay.
use a sliced strawberry for the tongue. Okay.
Because we're concerned about your health.
Yeah, and we're making a statement. Okay. And then this is, see, because you like to work on the
yeah.
little details,
Looks great already.
these sunflower seeds are going to be teeth.
Okay.
So we're going to use little tiny sunflower seeds and try to put them in like if you were a dentist. And monsters don't have perfect teeth, so they don't have to be 100% perfect. You ever done a movie with a monster?
Yes, I have.
Like
I've
a
done-
creature feature.
I
What was that
have.
one?
It was called. There's probably more. It was Dead Sea,
Okay.
and yes, there was a. It's a creature feature shot in the sea. It
Mm-hmm.
was actually shot at Big Bear Lake, but yeah, there was a monster in that.
Okay.
A monster, and
That was like a boating project,
needless,
right?
yeah, needless to say, don't go in the water.
Do not.
Do not go in the
Do
water.
not go in the water.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to do much more than just put the teeth in there.
Okay. Are you saying I should hurry?
No, not at all. Why? Hurry. No, I'm just kidding. Because I made this mouth a little smaller than that mouth.
I wouldn't mind to have some extra teeth. Sorry, mine has a lot of teeth. Mine needs braces.
Mine's going to get veneers when he gets older. So he wasn't worried about his.
He wasn't worried about brushing and flossing.
And so once you get done, wow, 4 rows of teeth like a shark. Scary. That is a scary monster.
I like him.
He's very nice.
Yeah.
Now, if you're going to a party and you want to set everything up on your plate, it is always fun to add a little bit of worms.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, lay them around on the plate. Or maybe coming out of the grave. Things like
I
that.
like that.
Oh, yeah. Right, right. And then take some of that dirt and let's just sprinkle the dirt in the
hold on. I'm still getting
empty
the worms.
spots in between. And you're a little crazy.
Those gummy worms are delicious. You need lots of them. Okay.
Just a little bit here and there to make the negative space look filled, right?
It's all about the
Ooh.
presentation, people.
It is. Even if you're trying to do something scary, you want it to look good. You want it to look scary.
Scary good.
Scary good.
Good and scary?
Good and scary. Like all the movies you're in.
Some of them are just scary.
Some of them are just... Okay.
Some of them aren't scary.
Look at this. You did
I like
amazing.
it. These are so cool.
Yeah. And I love that you came on the show.
Thank you. I love
And
that
I
you
love
called
that
me
you
to
had
come on the
fun.
show.
I love that you like our little scary monsters.
All joking aside, I am going to make these at home. I'm going to make them for my mom.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And send your mom our love.
I will.
And this will be on Amazon, and she
Cool.
can watch it on Amazon.
Cool.
And everybody can make these at home. So thank you very much for tuning in. This is Chanel Ryan, Thomas Haley, and we'll see you on the next Cooking It Up with
Happy
Thomas
Halloween, everyone.
Haley. Bye-bye.
Bye.